Little parrot letting kitty pat him shows us how much it trusts its friend. But it looks like this pal doesn't believe its soulmate very much. Keep doing your work, mate. Let me handle your head. Some parrots can even be cat's full-time cleaner, especially for lazy ones. This munchkin might be wondering why it doesn't have a beak like its friend. Hey pal, I can fly also. Don't believe me, huh? Watch this. When a cat loves something, it cares for that with its whole heart. These guys are having a good time playing in their dreams. One in a few that has the guts to tease a cat 3 times. What? Who touched my tail? Oh, kid.
Кузя!
That must be one of his best friends, cause a cat can't be that easygoing.
Тебе нормально, что ли, да?
Big boy looks so comfy there. Parrot is such a good barber. Cat is playing fishing, and the funny thing is he gets the prey every time. Look at those decorations inside. I don't think this is Cat's house. The way Kitty touches him like treating a treasure is really wholesome. Hello, bro. Can I have a bite? Many thanks. This looks delicious. Let's sleep. Hey, don't think that you can do everything because you're big. Someone please tell him that it's no use hurting Cat with that small beak. Still, nice try. Where's the police? We have a guy stealing kitten's food here. That's right. Go home, dudes. Hey, why do you stop? Don't come any closer.
Oh, come on.
Cat seems not too shy to have new friend. Oh, I speak too soon. As long as the food is good, Parrot sees no problem eating it. They all look so gorgeous with their fur and feathers. So it's true that beauties play together. It can be weird the first time, but then Cat will get used to it. Even how the beast moves, the knight manages to stay still. Can you, go home? I'm about to sleep. Finally, someone dares to stand up going against Cat in the pets world. Seems that both of them love a cozy place. And then the revolution has begun. All parrots in the world is rising up. Are all these moves a way for this bird to manipulate the cat? For some reason, it's like Cat just heard a confession. That'll be a tough decision. Hey bro, there's still something on... Stop, I won't hurt you. The first meeting is always awkward, but be bold and everything is gonna be fine. Yummy! Who is that? Do you want to fight, boy? Well, you win. These guys are definitely having an argument. Seems like it's hard to reconcile. In front of this cuteness, Cat just can't do anything. Cat is watching the one who makes the owner shout at him. Why a long face, Uncle Kitty? Don't worry, everything will be fine. I wish I had a friend seeing me the way Cat sees him. Gotta say, these spa staffs are so dedicated with their work. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.